Let's look at how to place a conditional order on Phemex. Please note that conditional orders are only available for premium members. To begin with, make sure that you have selected conditional order here at the top. At the base level, conditional orders still involve either a limit order or market order. What makes the conditional order unique and useful is that you're able to pick a trigger or condition that first needs to be met before either of these order types are executed. So if you're using a limit order, you still have to pick a limit price and a quantity. And if you're choosing a market order, you still need to choose a quantity. What we're doing is we're essentially keeping these orders on the side unless the price passes through a certain level, and we can pick that trigger price in advance. This is very useful for stops and breakouts as well as other advanced trading strategies. So we'll go ahead and show how a conditional limit order would work. Let's set our trigger price at 45,000 and our limit price at 44,500. Then we still need to choose our quantity. Now we're ready to place the order. Select Take Profit Buy, and we'll be presented with this template, where we can add take profits and stop losses, as well as see all the relevant information about our trade. But now when we confirm this order, it will not be placed unless this trigger is hit. What that means is we have a trigger at $45,000, which you can see here. 45,000 is the price we chose, and until that level is hit, our limit order for $44,500 will not be placed in the books. So if the price does hit $45,000, then our limit order of $44,500 will be placed immediately in the same manner as if we placed a standard limit order, and we'll see it pop up down here. Now, if you're using a market order, the only difference is if our trigger was 45,000, then once the price moved through this level, a market order to buy would be executed instead of a limit order. This is very useful for a multitude of reasons. Again, it essentially means we're able to say what position we want to be in if a specific criterion or condition is met.